Hi, now we're gonna thread the industrial machine and run some basic stitch to make sure the machine is running perfectly in order to sew what we have right behind there. As you can see, some jacket, some combat jacket, some basic flat pattern, so it doesn't have any dart, it's just straight cut pattern. As you can see, the neckline, the sleeves, the pockets are already stitched already in the front, and the lining are partially joined. But right now I'm just gonna start running some basic stitch to make sure the machine is ready. Then we can start sewing this together. As you can see, everything's ready. So we're going to use that machine, the industrial machine, the flat machine. Right? Okay. So bobbin is going into the case, pull it out, and in the machine. Now we're gonna thread the machine. Now you could actually, when threading, you could actually pass the thread from there, from the top thread mechanism, but you don't really have to, because you can still get away by just bring the thread from up straight down there in the first hole there, like this, and loop one, loop two, just like that, straight from up, straight down there, up, down, and then down here behind the tension holder, into the spring, down behind this hook, behind this hook, and up into this hole, behind this hook, and then behind small hook, up, okay, so there, lift the needle up and straight through the needle and pull behind. So put the foot down so you can have more visibility. Actually, from the left to the right, from the left to the right, and pull. Now run the needle through down, and as it comes up, pick the lower thread up, and that's it. You got two threads up now. Lift the foot, put the thread between the opening of the presser foot and pull it behind. Now let's get some fabric and start running some stitches. Now when sewing, most of the time you would be using 2.5 average stitches. When you're doing jeans, you went all the way 4 to get the evenly classic denim stitch. But for normal sewing, you will be more likely around 2.5. Oh. Looks like it needs a little bit tension underneath. Much better. Scissor cut. That's from the top.
This is a nylon thread, so it's very strong thread. For heavy duty fabrics, including leather mainly, I use it for leather, but because this fabric I'm intending to use is very challenging, that's why I decided to use this tough thread. Make sure you don't have breaking all the time. So that is the thread I'm going to use. It's a bit waterproof. It's the pocket of the jacket I already joined together. So now you have an idea. It's a cargo pocket, typical military pocket style. You got a top left pocket, same style, and a little epaulette on the shoulder, the left shoulders. On the inside, that's one of the advantages of using a domestic machine, because you get a chance to get all these zigzags, overcasting stitches, which can be very decorating, and it gives a very nice finish. It's something you don't get with industrial machine. So this project is partly made with a domestic machine, and the rest, most of the rest of the stitches, I'm going to be finishing with this machine.